Hello and welcome to Beyond the Attitude. My name is Barbara Cooper. I'm a Colorado Christian University student in social psychology, and we will be discussing attitudes and behavioral outcomes. I provided an overview for easy navigation. And we will begin with the structures of attitude. As you can see on the left of the screen, I have the ABCs of attitude that stand for affective, behavioral, and cognitive. The affective component involves personal feelings about an object such as, I'm afraid of something. The behavioral component is the attitude that influences the behavior, such as, I'll scream if I see that spider. The cognitive component involves the belief a person has or knowledge they have that involves, I believe in spiders that are very dangerous. The attitude strengths are very important because they contain our influences of behavioral outcomes that involves either positive or negative reactions. The main function components, as we have already discussed, are functions of the attitude and behavior that can be changed. In 1960, Daniel Katz discovered the functional approach in the study of attitudes. At a psychological level, reasoning for attitudes are found within the functions that they perform for each individual. Among these functions are adjustment, ego defense, value, expression, and knowledge, all of which either arouse or modify the attitude from a motivational basis. When asked to complete a naturalistic observation in a social setting, I observed a female in a group of 6 other males, as well as myself. We wanted to determine if any of the reactions of attitude and behavior would change during the observation. I've included a summary of findings based on the ABC method, the knowledge, self-ego expressive, and ego defense mechanisms, all of which were demonstrated by the female subject that was being observed. The summary of findings in the second female was a personal recording of my findings that were not biased. In conclusion, I've attached nature of attitude, psychological level reasoning, and methodological approaches that can be used to further investigate and discover comparisons by age groups and longitudinal studies. If you have any questions, please ask now. The next slide will demonstrate the types of observational methods that Fazio in 1990, mode model, and expectancy model of Fishman in 1967 that were used to interpret the observations. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.